using Wavy. Yeah, Wavy baby, Wavy baby.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you all. I'm going to show you how to take these items here and turn them into this. Alright, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to check it out and see where I got everything from. Now let me share with you how easy, quick and simple it is to create this elegant DIY. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's a little picture, like a little plaque thing. And I have my bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I'm just going to use it and cover up the top of this thing here. Yeah. Now you can spray paint it if you want. But because I'm putting the bling wrap, it's covering it. And I'll be putting something else over it, so I won't be painting it. I'm just going to put the bling wrap over the top to hide it. And now it's all covered. We're going to be using some of the gems from Walmart and just put 2 gems into each side corner, going all the way around our frame. Next we have our mirror from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna glue it to the top. I'll be using hot glue, but as usual you can use any adhesive that you would like to use on your project. Next I have these new frames from the Dollar Tree, and I believe they are 5x7, the mirror. So we're just going to take out the mirror because that's all we'll be using. And I will be using my bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And we're going to decorate the sides of the mirror going all the way around. Again, I'm using hot glue, but you can use any adhesive that you would like to use. And I'll be placing some smaller strips going up, just 4 small strips. 2 I did short and 2 I'm doing long. I like this strip pattern. I like the effect that it gives whenever you put it on. It looks very nice. You know, I've done a few projects like this and I absolutely love them. And now I'll be adding some of our bling gems from Walmart, going up also on the project. Now for the back of our mirror, we're going to add a sheet of the bling wrap also, because the back of our mirrors will be showing on our DIY, so we're just going to bling it out so it looks very nice. Okay, so now we're ready to put our project together. I'm just going to Windex the mirrors a bit, taking off the fingerprints. And now we are going to glue our pieces together. Again, I am using some hot glue, and like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive on your project that you choose to use. So we're just going to glue the mirrors onto the 4 sides of our frame. And here's our finished look. I love how it looks. And as I do with all my projects, they can be used for more than one way. If you would call it that. Yeah, I like doing things that are diverse. You can use them as different items throughout your home, not just stuck to one particular display item. No. So this can be displayed as a candle holder. It can be displayed by itself as an accent piece. And it also can be displayed with flowers inside. Yes, I love options. I do not like to be stuck in the box. I like to think outside the box. And that's what I do with a lot of my DIYs. And I absolutely think it looks lovely. All blinged out, and then the bling wrap on the back of the mirrors, because they show, as you can see. So it looks very nice, and the mirror inside in the center. And our strips. Our strips on the outside of the mirrors just make it look elegant and nice. I love how it turned out. It looks absolutely beautiful. Here's our DIY as a candle holder. I think it looks very nice with the candle inside. And like I say, I like items that can be used for more than one decor idea. Yes. And it looks lovely with the candle inside. And here we go with flowers inside. This is another way you can use it as a decor. You could use it as a vase, yes, and place your flowers inside. I think it looks very nice with the flowers inside also. All I did was just place a vase inside. One of my little blinged out vase that I did from before. Placed the flowers in them and then just dropped it into the center of our box. Yes, and I think it looks very nice. So whether you choose to use our DIY all by itself as an accent piece, or if you choose to use it as a candle holder, or if you choose to use it as a vase for your flower decor, any way you choose will look absolutely beautiful. Like I say, I like using pieces that can be used for more than one display item. Yes, I do. And I think all 3 look lovely. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about this decor that we did today. Leave me your comment down below. And thank you so much for clicking on my video and spending a few minutes with me today to see the DIY that I had to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone. I will see you on the next one.